this is a 36-year-old lovely lady. We're going to do a breast with an implant on. She obviously has pretty significant droopiness or ptosis of the breast secondary having four beautiful kids. So the plan is to lift the breast tissue and then put an implant in to help kind of keep a little bit of the shape. A little bit more complicated because how droopy they are. I think it'll make a huge difference.
With your bad dreams and your fears, with ears that I see, you've been crying. Seems like everywhere you turn, catastrophe reigns. Who really prophets from the die?